Beautiful, fantastic day here at Alta Sugarloaf. Another view, this is from Snowbird. You can see the Salt Lake Valley and the Oquirrh off in the distance, people enjoying the snow. In the valley we have haze and we built to an orange air quality, unfortunately, but there is a storm coming in. You can barely see it starting here. It's actually very cold just north of Seattle in a place called Bellingham. Temperatures have dropped into the teens. It's snowing and cold air is coming out of the Fraser Valley and down towards Vancouver. It's all in association with a buildup of very cold Arctic air, which, by the way, it was 73 below zero in Dawson Creek in the Northwest Territories. And some of that cold air is really going to hit. It'll be modified to some degree, but below zero highs in Oklahoma. Highs, that's right. I mean, so it is modified. It's not going to be 70s below zero, but I mean, it is really going to be a big cold storm. Now, how much snow will fall for us? We're looking at Wednesday. Here's 10 a.m. So there's some snowfall we can expect. An inch in the Salt Lake Valley, 1 to 3 inches across the Oquirrh, maybe some higher amounts in the northern Wasatch. Other areas, East Benches, could see 1 to 3 inches. And again, the bottom line is the cold air's in place. It'll turn even colder. Right now, Roosevelt is 3 and 7 in Preston. So it's cold. And when I say there's Arctic air coming in, we already have Arctic air that came in and it's settled in cold valleys with snow cover. So Vernal right now is -3. Brigham City 14. So those areas, look at Elko, 1 degree. When we bring in Arctic air, we'll actually warm up some spots and cool down others. But it's still going to be very cold. Right now it's 2 in Bismarck, 3 in Rapid City. Around the country, 21 in Chicago, 38 in New York. This whole area right here, this whole cold air, this is going to come right down into Texas, right down into Arkansas. I mean, and it's coming right at the time we're going to see people traveling. And I'll highlight that in just a second. 33 in St. George, Salt Lake, the haze, we're not 28 degrees. Winds are calm for the most part. Here comes the storm. We'll talk about moving it in. Here's Tuesday. Now on Wednesday, this is when the storm will arrive and it'll bring some snow Wednesday night, early Thursday. And then look at this storm in Chicago. I mean, massive storm here. This is going to snarl traffic. Nobody will be able to travel Thursday into early Friday. And here we are across the Great Lakes getting just slammed. Utah, though, another little storm comes in Friday, gives us a slight chance for snow. And here comes some snow storms coming in from the Pacific. The ridge builds in, but then all of a sudden we'll see it break down. And I see another storm, pretty good sized storm coming in. So that's good news. All right. So we'll see temperatures going to 30 today and across the state. 13 in Vernal, 46 in St. George, and the 7-day for St. George, 51 on Wednesday, and for Salt Lake City, we're looking at 30, 32, Wednesday up to 40, but it snows, 25 for a high Thursday, Amy, brr, shiver me timbers, and lows in the teens, in single digits, even colder in some places, a little snow Friday as well. Christmas, no snow falling, but there'll be snow on the ground.